Welcome everybody to starting your syllabus day. Woohoo! I know you're excited. I'm excited. We're all excited. Here's how it's going to work. You're going to use your elements and you're just going to build your patterns. We're going to use a box set for an example today because it's everywhere. Technique is how the styling is really built upon and lots of things really. Style and phrasing, just let's not worry about it today. Right now you need to get started with the basics, moving together, leading, following, and the elements. There's not that many, guys. You're going to love this. Walking, side steps, rock actions, and marches. So really it's describing your balance, not timing, not footwork, not styling, just how you're moving on the floor. And these are anything really. Walking is walking, side steps, side steps. I mean, a rock action is just change your mind. So this is some examples right here. And this is just walking, but now some of this is smooth technique. So you wouldn't do this in rumbas or anything like that. But a walk's a walk. It looks different because we're doing more of a foxtrot, but still, a side together is a side together. A side tap's a side tap. I could do that in swing. And the rock step, these are everywhere. I can do it more like an emergency action. I can rotate it, spin it around. I can go sideways. I can do a rock step if she does something else. And then marching is great if you have to start working on syncopation or you just way too crowded or just having fun. Yeah? Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. So let's take that box step, walk, side, close, walk, side, close. So off of one side, I'll just have all that basic idea, what it is, what foot it is, what direction it is, what the timing is. And by that point, everybody can just stop and figure out the pattern. The footwork is in case there's something special going on, because otherwise it's standard. The turn, in case something special is going on. The notes, that's in case. And the follow through that I'm showing up there is that's what causes turn. So you don't really need to teach that or put it in. It's like styling. And I'm using a W to denote a whole foot action. So as you're stepping and turning, the driving steps cause the turn as the legs pass. And when done correctly, you can turn a great deal. So a lot of these half boxes can turn a great deal. And the natural opposite, there's no reason to double your work, Now, phrasing and styling. Styling is great if you're being judged or competition, but you need room. If it's a crowded floor, you just can't do it. And the best way to make it look like you've planned this your entire life is if you've never done this before, ever, put on your favorite song and just start counting. If you get to 8, or if it repeats when you hit the 6, so that's all you think, that's a set. Don't even worry about the names. 2 sets is an intro, 8 sets is usually a body, sometimes 4 times repeated, and then you'll have a break, usually about 4 sets. These are just generic, but it fits a lot of them, so you can kind of get a feeling when to show off, and it looks like you planned it. So coming up, we'll be covering the floor, the feet and the floor, and anything else to get you going with some tips. Have a great day.